Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this really easy picture display. I think it turned out really cute, and in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this display. Let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is a hoop. I used a wooden embroidery hoop, but you can use any hoop that you want. You will also need pictures that are printed onto cardstock paper, photo paper, or any type of paper will work. And you will also need string, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, fake flowers, tape, and a hot glue gun. What you want to do first is that you want to print out your pictures onto any type of paper, and then you want to take a ruler and mark where you want your border to be. You can make a square, a Polaroid shaped border, or you can make the border any shape that you want. Then you want to cut out all of your pictures. And you can also use one of your pictures that you cut out as a guide line for your other pictures. Now you want to erase any of the pencil markings off of the pictures. Now you want to take a piece of string and tie one end of the string to the hoop into a knot. And then you want to tie the other side of the string to the hoop. And you want to make sure you tighten the string before you tie the string into a knot. Before you tie another string onto the hoop, you want to lay out your pictures so you know where to tie the second string at. Now you can tie another piece of string onto the hoop just like the first piece of string. Depending on the size of your hoop, you can add as many pieces of string that you want onto your hoop. I only put 2 pieces of string onto the hoop. Now you want to cut off the extra string. Once you're done tying the string onto the hoop, you want to take another piece of string and tie it onto the hoop into a loop and tie the string into a knot. This is how the display will hang on the wall. You're going to want something like this, and I do recommend gluing this piece of string to the hoop because it might move after you glue the flowers onto the hoop. Once you're done tying all of your string to the hoop, you want to flip the hoop over so the knots of the string will be on the back of the hoop. Then you want to lay out your pictures onto the string so you know what the display will look like. Then you can put a piece of tape under the string, and then you want to attach the picture to the tape and the string. And now you want to do this for the rest of the pictures, and you can put as many pictures as you want onto the string. Now you can pull off the flowers and the leaves off of their stems, and you can use as many flowers and leaves as you want. And then you want to lay out your flowers and your leaves onto the hoop to see how you want the flowers and the leaves to look like on the hoop. Then you can glue all of the leaves and the flowers onto the hoop. When you glue the flowers onto the leaves, you want to make sure you glue the middle of the back of the flowers on the hoop, because the flowers might tilt down. If you don't, glue them onto the hoop. But if you have this problem, you can try pulling the leaves over the hoop carefully so the leaves don't come off of the hoop, and you can glue the back of the leaves to the hoop. If you didn't glue the string you are going to be hanging the display with onto the hoop, you might have to tie another piece of string onto the hoop and glue the string to the hoop so it hangs straight on the wall. And that's how you make this really easy picture display. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this display. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!